So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy SQQQ put options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go down to the magnifying glass in the bottom left. Now you can either do this one of two ways. First off, you can go to the search bar and just type in SQQQ and access it that way, or you can go to cancel and you can press on the options tab right here, go to where it says most active symbols, press on more, and then at the top here it says SQQQ. You can access it that way as well. So if you want to buy SQQQ put options, first off, what you have to do is change it from rise to fall. So press on where it says SQQQ will rise at the top here. Press on rise, press on where it says put options. This means that the price will fall. And there you go. You've now changed it to a put option. Now if you want to change the date, you can press on September 22nd and access whatever date you want that way. So what you can do now is actually browse a whole bunch of different prices here of SQQQ for this put option. So if you want to do this example for demonstration purposes only, of the $18 USD strike price, you can go ahead and press on whatever option you want. Press on at the bottom where it says buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy SQQQ put options here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.